This 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun 260 MB Ford 450 is a Class C RV. It is located in Orange Park, FL 32073 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, Murphy bed, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. This 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun 260 MB Ford 450 is built on a Ford 450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.